Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Kiev President Volodymyr Zelensky. There would be no let up in Ukraine's fight to regain its territory as Kiev said its troops had crossed a major river, paving the way for an assault on Russia's occupation forces in the eastern Donbass region, reflecting the dramatic change in momentum since Ukrainian forces rousted Russian troops. Early this month in the Northeast United States, President Joe Biden offered his strongest prediction so far that the Ukraine would win the war. They are defeating Russia, Biden said in an interview with CBS 60 Minutes. Victory would come only when Russian forces were completely driven from Ukrainian territory, and the United States would support Ukraine as long as it takes, Biden said. Russia's turning out not to be as competent and capable as many people thought they were going to be. Crossing the Oskil River is another important milestone in Ukraine's counter-offensive in the northeastern Kharkiv region. The river flows south into the Seversky Donetsk, which snakes through the Donbass, the main focus of Russia's invasion. Further beyond lies Luhansk province, the base for Russia's separatist proxies since 2014 and fully in Russian hands since July after some of the war's bloodiest battles. Ukrainian troops have pushed across the Oskil from yesterday. Ukraine controls the east bank. The Ukrainian armed forces wrote on Telegram late on Sunday. Serhiy Gaidai, Ukrainian governor of Luhansk, wrote on Telegram. Luhansk region is right next door. The occupation is not far away. Gaidai said Ukrainian forces had regained full control of the town of Kremina and the village of Bilohorivka. The two settlements are located on roads on the northern approach to the city of Lysychansk, whose fall after weeks of grinding battles in July put Luhansk wholly under Russian control. Bilohorivka, the nearer of the two to Lysychansk, is located just 8 kilometers from the city's outskirts. Ukrainian forces swept through the Kharkiv region this month after bursting through the front line, sending thousands of Russian troops fleeing and abandoning their tanks and ammunition. In recent days, the pace of the Ukrainian advance has again slowed, but Zelensky said this was only because the forces were consolidating and preparing for further offensives. Perhaps it seems to some of you that after a series of victories we now have a lull of sorts, he said in his regular nightly address on Sunday, but there will be no full. There is preparation for the next series, for Ukraine must free all of it. Alarm over nuclear plant. Ukraine associated Russian forces on Monday of sailing near the Pivdenokransk nuclear power plant in the country's southern Mykolaiv region. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.